These are the blocks for challenge number 12. So here are the blocks for the title, well, for the menu screen, like the main screen. So here is like when the screen initializes, this arrangement, which has the about info, is gonna disappear. So when you click button 1, which is let's go, here, it's gonna take you to screen number 2. But first, you can also go to button 2, which is this one, the about button. Like when you click it, the title stays on, but both buttons disappear and the vertical arrangement appears. And the vertical arrangement has this button that we can't see. Well, we can. It's this button which says go back, and when you press go back, the arrangement disappears and you go back to the normal screen. So if you click let's go, you would go to, well, the actual app. So here is a little animation when you press start. Well, you can't see here, but the image that is supposed to be here is this one. Well, it's a rocket, so yeah. So here are the blocks. So basically here is the procedure. So the procedure is called arranque. So when the screen initializes, all this happens, which is the image pops up, like the height and the width are arranged, all the texts in the arrangements are placed, and the time intervals are in false. Then we have this variable, which is ejecutar. So basically this is for the button to change, like, how do I explain this? Basically, just to not use the long click function. So if the button is clicked, this appears, else it doesn't, and it turns out like this. So basically if the button is clicked, the parameter starts counting, the clock goes off, and the animation starts running, so the stickman starts running. Else it just stops and the stickman goes back to being still, and the stats pop up, which are the steps and the time. And I added these, the sound, so it vibrates every time you click on the button. And here is a long click function, which resets everything, puts everything in zeros again, which uses the same procedure, arranque, and has the same vibration. What else? And here is the coding for the animation to start running. So basically it's a bunch of images. Well, it's a GIF captured in several frames. So what this is, it changes the image here, and with this variable that is counter. So when you start the timer, the variable starts counting from one by one. So the images start popping up, and yeah.